Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kami dari Basketball Simeulue. Sekali lagi kami mengucapkan terima kasih kepada para senior dan teman-teman yang sudah menerima kami. Saya sebagai coach Glorius Simeulue dan kapten kami Teguh, serta manajer kami yaitu Dedi, sebagai salah satu atlet basket dari Simeulue berharap bahwa fasilitas di Simeulue agar dapat diterapkan dengan fasilitas ibu kota, agar kreativitas dan minat kami dapat tersalurkan dengan baik. Harapan kami dapat diterima lagi di sini untuk bermain bersama serta membawa nama baik Simeulue ke depannya. Kami berharap ke depannya Basketball Simeulue mampu memenangkan kejuaraan-kejuaraan tingkat wilayah. Kami dari Basketball Simeulue mengucapkan terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Flew out for Russia. I spent 3K, what the fuck budget? Chrome hard G's, 10K, can't touch it. Shake the hips that don't lie like Shakira. I'm so damn high in the coupe, I'm keto. I don't drink Tito's, only drink expensive liquor. Fucking on your bitch in my green plastic slipper. There you go, oh my god, you're underrated. She got itty bitty titties, I bust them on her quickly. I bought that bitch Versace garments just because of pity. If she is a fashion Nova bitch, she cannot be with me. I pull her with the 5-5, pocket rocket pop pop, aim it at your top while she give me top. My brothers on top, your brothers just fall off. I declare your jaw like she did to M-Rock. Hey, yeah, I'm the greatest. Every single time I drop your bitch, I meet a playlist. And I know a boyfriend get mad when she play this. And he always complain when she say I'm her favorite.
Break it down, bring it back, make it clap. I got 3 old thoughts, new guap, wear that thing. Bitches on my line, and you know they come strapped. Hold up, what it not, 45, scope it cash like whoa. I ain't fucking with these hoes, I pull up the greatest and now selling all these shows. Doing this till I make it because he know it's how it go. Got me yelling the playlist because she fuck with me the most like that. Break it down, bring it back, make it clap. I got 3 old thoughts, new guap, wear that thing. Bitches on my line, and you know they come strapped. Hold up, what it not, 45, scope it cash like whoa. I ain't fucking with these hoes, I pull up the greatest and now selling all these shows. Doing this till I make it